Anyways, I can't even say top of the morning. The reason why you see later in this video. So what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. My name is Craig, and this is where I document my journey as I work towards becoming a consistently profitable trader. So today is a Monday, man. What's the date? Today is the Monday, the 13th of July. And yeah, man, it's a new week. I have a new account, and everything is just nice. It's just nice, man. I hope this is going to be a beautiful journey. So this week I'm going to be vlogging or just making clips every day. Like today I'll make a clip, tomorrow a clip, and I'll post the video on Wednesday. So I normally post on Wednesdays and on Saturdays or Sunday. So Saturday or Sunday, but definitely on Wednesdays. Midweek analysis or midweek trade recap, or yeah, you know me. So welcome back to another video. If you're new to this channel, be sure to leave a like, comment your thoughts, share, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell so that you get notified every time I drop. Welcome to the journey, man. So yeah, I was just downloading TradingView on this Android phone. Yeah, just so that when I'm recording there, I can look at the charts and talk about what I am seeing. So I just woke up, man. As you saw, just opened the. No, I didn't just wake up actually. I woke up like at 8:45. Then looked at the charts, and then something happened, which I'm going to talk about in a few minutes. And then before I even opened the curtains or anything, I already did that. And for some smart people, I think you already know what happened. We took a trade, man. We took a trade. Let me just put it out there. We took a trade. And on Mondays, let me put it clear. Let me make it clear. Monday, I know that Mondays are my worst trading days. Just for the simple fact that when it's the weekend, when it's the weekend, you build up some like that adrenaline to trade. You want to trade. You want to see the markets moving. For us, for people that trade currencies, man, like forex currencies, you know that the market is closed in the weekend, so you have to wait for Monday. So the adrenaline was up, man. And on Saturday I bought my 50k account, so I had a new account that I wanted to start making profits in, that I have to pass in like 2 months or 1.5 months. Yeah, man. So I actually took a trade on Monday. I wasn't supposed to even take the trade. I'm going to talk about it clearly, but right now I'm just trying to download. Actually I downloaded TradingView on this phone. I'm just trying to log into my TradingView account. Like I have 2 TradingView accounts, the one that I use on that phone and on the PCs. Then I have to log into the other one so that I can see the markets while I'm talking to you. So I have to just fix my bed, make some breakfast, and just go on with my day, man. So how was your weekend, man? How was your weekend? Comment how was your weekend. Comment how was last week. I was trading last week, and if you saw the previous video, what is it about? Hey, comment on that video what you want to know, what you want to learn. Like someone was asking about how to withdraw into Binance and how to how to use crypto. So I think I'm going to make a video about that. It will be a short quick video just showing you. But currently I don't have a PC. I don't have a laptop or a PC, just because the laptop that I used got stolen, and the other, I talked about this in I think like 5 videos back, and the other PC doesn't have a charger because the person that stole the laptop and the charger, and the charger has 2 chargers. So one laptop has no charger and the other is gone. I have to get another PC, and I have to get a tablet. If I get a tablet, yeah, it will be simpler, it will be easier that way. So yeah, man, let me just log into my account right here, and we'll see how the day goes. See you in a few minutes. Let me just do this, and we'll talk in a few minutes. Not even in a few minutes. On the next clip. Subscribe. Now we'll cool down, man. We can now talk about the trade that I took this morning. So I ended up not downloading TradingView because it wasn't running on this Nokia phone. So I just downloaded MetaTrader 5, and I didn't look into the accounts right here because Fundednext doesn't allow me to do that. Doesn't allow me to log into two different phones with the same accounts. That's what I understand from the rule. I read the rule and it said I can't do that. So I'm going to put the video of me taking the trade right somewhere here. Actually, this trade, man, it was an early trade actually. And I've noticed something. Once you feel like you are missing out on a trade, it either means you're already late or it's an early trade. And for this instance today, it was an early trade for me. Where do I increase the brightness here? Yeah. At this instance, for me, it was an early trade. As you can see, I don't know how I'll show you, but just look at the side there. It was an early trade for me because the market just went up and reacted to the favorable gap, which was on top of the little consolidation, which is usually a good entry. But the trade was actually against most of my rules. We were above the 50 SMA and we were just a little bit above the EMAs, the moving averages. So it was a fair trade, man. I wish I was calm. I wish I was calm with this trade, and just if I was to take this trade, I was supposed to put my entry right above there on that highest favored gap, because the market is probably going to sell this week. And I thought I was going to catch the high of the week right there. I knew that the market was going to go up a little bit and then come back down, but I wasn't expecting it to take out that high right there and then start moving down. So we'll see at the end of this day if we are actually going to go down or we are actually going to consolidate. If it happens that we consolidate and we start forming what we call this a corrective reversal, it means we might be getting our trade tomorrow or Wednesday. Yeah, maybe one more trade this weekend will be good. The only issue is that I'll have to risk less on the 50k account. I have to risk like 0.5% since I've already lost 0.7%, and I have to risk 0.5% to see if I am in my good mood, like I'm coming back into the good mood and the market is actually giving good trades. If the market is not giving good trades, at least I'll lose 0.5% if I happen to get a trade this week. Then of course you have to go back into my old video. So I did create a video where I was like back testing. I won't even lie, I always use that video when I feel like I'm losing track with my strategy. I always go back to that video, man, and just watch it, other than me going back to back test. If I don't feel like back testing like physically, I'll just go and watch that video on this YouTube channel, and I just see the setups that actually work. And if I see that there's a setup that I don't take right now, I'll notice it, and as I go, it'll be just a simple way of backtesting. But actually, I have to backtest the May and June, so I have to give myself time to backtest May and June and actually see and compare how I performed, like lively, how I performed on that month, on those months, and how I could have performed if I was perfect. But nobody's perfect, and there's always room for error. Like today, it was a simple mistake of me taking the trade from a lower favored gap other than using that othermost favored gap which was respected, because this favored gap at this, yeah, I can say anything, I can blame myself for anything, but it happens in the markets, man. So I hope I can get good trades in the coming week, because right now the market has been kind of consolidating. I won't even lie. On Euro USD, we've been moving sideways for quite a while, so hope it starts pushing. Once the volume starts coming in and the market now wants to move, then it will be a nice time to be taking more trades and more trades and more trades. So if you're new to this channel, man, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell so that you get notified every time I drop. And leave a comment on your thoughts and how trading journey is going. You know, what is silver doing? Let's see. What is silver doing? I don't trade any other pair other than Euro USD. Ooh, silver traders. Ooh, Nice. Silver traders actually enjoying it. Let me see gold actually, not silver. Yeah, I really needed to have a second phone to be checking the charts whilst I'm also recording myself, because we are just here, man, just talking, no? I hope my volume is okay. Okay, so if I was to trade gold, I would wait for it to push a bit high and then start looking for my sales from there. Yeah, that's how I would want to trade gold right now. Anyways, I have to make breakfast. Actually, I have to go to the shops. Do you guys want to go with me? I don't know. But I actually have to go to the shops and get eggs and milk and laminate my passport, not my passport, my license, because right now it's a small paper. I have to laminate it. And yeah, man. Actually, I do have avocado, so I'll eat like avocado breakfast and then go and get some eggs later on during this day. And I'll actually go with you guys. We'll probably go to get what do you have to get? Eggs and milk. Probably go to Greens. I'll see if I'll talk with you guys when I'm there, or I'll just make some clips and look for some audios to add. So yeah, this is how USD is looking, and that's the trade that I took already. Stop loss, man. Crazy, crazy, crazy. On a Monday, man. Already started the week with a loss, and already my first trade on the 50k is a loss, which means it's going to be a good trading month. Because once I start with a loss, I calm down. Like, I have to now chill. I have to go back into my channel. I do have a channel with Notion. You can search notion.com. You can find any journaling templates or create your own template there, then start journaling. So I've been journaling on that website for the longest of time, man. I've been channeling there but I've been properly channeling this strategy or this funded account, this funded journey for like 10 months, almost 11 months, since September last year. So yeah, today there's no other trade that I'm going to take. I only take one trade a day, and since it already hit my stop loss, I cannot take any other trade but just watch the market play out. My stop was at the uttermost high, so I had to pay for that. I could have moved my stop to just above the favorite gap, but it already happened and my stop got hit. So yeah, just leave a comment in the comment section how your Monday went, man. I'll see you tomorrow on Tuesday, or I'll see you when I'm not going to the shops. Yeah, subscribe. New day, new dawn. What's going on now? Welcome back to the next day. So currently I'm looking at this chart. Yeah, so yesterday Euro USD actually sold off from that favorite gap where my stop loss was. Yeah, it happens. Sometimes you mess up and take the wrong entries, and you just gotta pay for it. So today I woke up around 9:45, 8:45 again, like an hour ago, just about an hour ago. Currently it's 9:54, just about yeah, just try and see. Currently it's 9:54, so I woke up around 8:45 and it's been an hour and I've been in my bed. That's one thing about trading. So I just woke up, prepare for 9 a.m. Then 9 a.m. is when I start looking for any setups. So I didn't see any setup at the moment, so I had to just wait, man. I didn't get out of my bed. I was just looking at my strategy, like just going back a little bit, just seeing how I would trade today and just seeing some recurring market structures. So I noticed something on the 4-hour time frame, that for me to get even a higher win rate with my strategy, I have to also just sneak peek at the 4-hour time frame. And at the 4-hour time frame, I won't be looking at the whole 4-hour range or anything. I'll be just looking at 3 candles: the 3 a.m. candle, the 7 a.m. candle, and 11 a.m. candle. So it's either the 3 a.m. candle has gave me confirmation for the continuation. If not, it's either the 7 a.m. candle give me the confirmation for the continuation. If not, it's either the then it means I won't get any trade. So it's either I get my entry around 2:11 or 11 a.m. or I get my trade around 9 a.m. Simple as that. So right now, just chilling. I'm about to get out of bed and go on with my day. I did wash my face though. I woke up like at 8:45. What I do is I wake up, then I go brush my teeth, wash my face, and then come back and see what the market is. So I have like 15 minutes to do that, to wash my face and brush my teeth. Then I come back maybe around 9 a.m. I look at the charts and see what's happening. And currently, we have nothing. The market might just buy to fill up these what do you call this? These favorite gaps. These 1 hour favorite gaps right there. Yeah, just that. And on the 15 minute, as you can see, we are reacting off of the 50 SMA. So that's why I use SMAs, man. Like SMAs are just good. They're just good, man. If it was someone else, someone would have tried to find an entry using this. Let me show you. Someone would have tried to find an entry using this favorite gap right there. After seeing this little move like this, then someone would have thought that you are now breaking below these lows right here to then retrace off of this favorite gap right there to then push down. But then if you look at it at on the 1 hour, we have these favorite gaps to fill right here. Yeah, man. I don't usually use any other time frame for my confirmation, but still, if I was just using my 15 minute, that's why I didn't get an entry. If I just using my 15 minute, we were above my 50 SMA, and I like to use my 50 SMA as entry confirmation. So if we're above it and I want to see some sales, I won't be taking any sales. But the buy position was there today, using the 1 hour favorite gap, but I don't trade on the 1 hour favorite gap, using this 1 hour favorite gap right here. Yeah, so that's just about it for today. I'm just waiting for 9 a.m. to come. Actually, I'm waiting for 11 a.m. So yeah, bro, the day is about to end, and today it didn't take any trade. Let me show you what the market did. It actually bought, kept on buying and buying, and I didn't get time or a chance to enter. I actually had a chance to enter, but I just didn't enter. You can see right there, the market kept buying. So we had CPI news today, that's why you see that spike right there. And yeah, man, the setup was there in the morning to buy, but I wasn't feeling like buys. I would even lie to you, I wasn't feeling like buys. I was really looking forward to getting some proper sales, but then I didn't get any buys, and it's just the end of the day. I spent the day just not sleeping actually, but just chilling in my room right here, watching anime. So I just recently started watching Hunter x Hunter, man, and I'm looking to watch more anime like Black Clover and stuff. Just never got the time, but I think I can now. I can, like, usually when I take a trade, and then after that, when I find an entry, I find my entry, take a trade, then close my trading apps like MT5 and TradingView, and then just come back after maybe 30 minutes to see, am I now in profit or am I still around the entry, or if I hit stop loss. Then I go on with my day just doing other stuff, and then come back and see what's happening. And then when 3 p.m. hits, that's when I come to see if I can move my stop loss, because it will be New York session, New York kills or whatever. I mean, I don't know. I don't even focus on that, but that's the time where I come back to, like, okay, let's get the New York push to then not move the stop to break even. Then I'm done for the day. I just close maybe around 10 p.m. if I don't want to hold the trade overnight. Yeah, man. So I have some clothes right here that I have to fold. Yeah, there's still a lot of clothes. I thought there were so many because it was like a pile of folded clothes underneath and then unfolded clothes on top. So I thought maybe there was a lot of clothes that I have to fold, but it's just a few. You know, I just fold these clothes, then have dinner, and then the day is just done, man. Today is a Tuesday, no trades today. I only took a trade yesterday, and it was a loss as you guys saw. So I'll be posting this video probably tomorrow. I'll make the tomorrow clips if I'm getting any trade tomorrow or anything, then I'll post it tomorrow. Then the next one will be coming on Saturday. Be sure to subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow. YouTube, what's going on? Welcome to another video. So I'm about to go out right now. As you can see the feet of the day. I don't know if you can see the feet, but the feet is fit here. So I just wanna eat this avocado. It's kind of bad right here. So I have to remove the bad part and eat the rest of the good part. Yeah. So I did set a limit order today. Today is Wednesday, I don't even know, the 15th of July, I don't know. So I did set a limit order today, as you can see right somewhere here, for today's trade. But the market, currently the market has already sold off. It didn't take me in. And just left me behind. Maybe when New York session comes, it will actually take me in. Let me see the time. Okay, so it's currently 2 p.m. and it's already New York session. Yeah, I hope I get tapped in. See the feet, 8 hardy shorts, loveless t-shirt, and yeah, man. I just want to eat this quick and then go to the shops and get the things I was talking about on Monday. We'll see how the day goes. Yeah, let's say this. I think there's some people who eat avocados with sugar, man. That's so weird. See you around now. Go on. 3 shops. Okay, so you're finally seeing me out of the house, and I'm actually walking, man. Actually walking. It's a walkable distance, but it's not close. It's walkable, but not near, not close. But yeah, man, I won't talk much because I know the noise be too much. So y'all won't hear me that much. I'll just put some music in there and just go about the day like that. So yeah, see y'all in like a few minutes. Actually, the trade left me behind, man. My trade left me behind, man. There's no way I could have entered other than not the way that I set my limit order. So just because I didn't get tapped in means today there's no trade. But I didn't delete my limit order. I just left it there. Maybe New York session will reverse a little bit and then tap me in, but I doubt that's going to happen. So yo, man, yo, the sun is doing things. The sun is doing things to me, man. I don't even lie. Misty. The sun is actually doing things, and I'm walking in the woods. Like there's a walkway, shortcut. I'm taking a shortcut yeah, hope the trade actually plays out, man. Actually, I know that it won't play out, but what am I even saying? So catch you guys in a few minutes. Like, I'll also vlog myself in front of Pamgobantu and see how I'll act when I'm vlogging myself in front of Pamgobantu. But I don't think I need to say anything. I'll just be quiet and just see how the vlog goes, you know. So yeah, maybe just take a walk. It's like maybe a 800-meter walk or a kilometer walk, not so sure, but yeah, it's a walkable distance if I'm taking shortcuts. As you see, the shortcut is like in the woods. So yeah, see ya in a bit. I'm about to cross some people, so let me stop the video right now. Okay, so I just go back home, man, and what's crazy is I didn't even record myself at the shops. Anyways, another crazy thing is that I just got tapped into my sell limit order, man, and I don't know how to take this because I don't usually enter positions during New York session. I enter during London session, so it's either I get tapped in during London session or I don't. I just did my order. So today I just left it. Let's hope it goes into profit because it's a good setup, and I like where Euro USD is at right now. If I'm going to catch sales, it's going to go down and go down. So I hope this will be a profitable day. If it's not, it means I'm going to lose 0.5% because I risked 0.5% on this trade on all three accounts, which means if I make 1:3, I'm going to get 1.5%. If I get 1:4, it's 2%, and I'll be in profit, a little bit of profit on almost all my accounts if I hit this trade, because the 5k account is down 2 point something percent, the 15k account is down 1.8%, then the 50k account is down 0.8%. so if I just hit this 1:2, 1:4, 2%, I'll be in profit on the 15k and the 50k, and then the 5k will be in a little bit of drawdown. So let's see how this goes and just go on by the day. Let me just settle in and take a break and take a breather and drink some water, man, because it's hot outside. Yeah.
Okay, bye.